If you need quick 20-minute dinner ideas for the weekday, then this lemon butter cod is perfect, healthy, and delicious. Keep on watching to see how I made it. So I am starting out with wild caught Alaska cod fillets. This is from Target. I believe they're doing like 20% off during their Target Circle Week. So they have directions for a lemon butter cod. And I was like, let me not complicate it and just follow the directions on the package. Like, I'm just going to take that tip. If they have a recipe on the back of the package, then that is my sign to make it exactly like that. Like, let's not overcomplicate stuff anymore. Let's just get it done. It's going to be good because I made it. It's literally just putting pepper, salt, garlic, and parsley flakes on it. And I feel like sometimes the best meals are just the simplest. Like, I'm thinking about turning this into a series, like 20-minute, 30-minute meals for the weekday. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments. And so I'm just seasoning the fish. I turned it over, seasoned it, and I also added some green and red bell peppers for color. You know, I really try to have a colorful plate as much as I can. And it wouldn't be me, it wouldn't be a Black person making some type of seafood without a little bit of Old Bay. I know that wasn't in the recipe, but seafood and Old Bay, it just go together. It goes together real bad, okay? So now I'm just adding a little bit. Okay, not this butter embarrassing me on the internet like this, but I'm adding butter to each of the fillets. And this one is trying to embarrass me as well, but you know what? We're going to overcome. We're going to persevere. And so I am squeezing half of a lemon on top of all 3 fillets to just bring out the taste, the flavor, all of that. And then I'm also adding the other half of the lemon on top, like actual lemon slices. And so that was it for the prep. Just dumb and go. I'm good for a dumb and go. So I kind of batch prep like sides throughout the week. Most of the time I have sweet potato on hand at all times. So I just reheated that, added some frozen broccoli into a saucepan. And so I followed the package's direction and it was not cooked all the way through. I was like, child, I'm putting this back in because that was not it. It didn't even look cooked when I put it on there. So now it's done. You can see the regular temperature should be 145 for seafood, so it was a little bit over that, so I went ahead and took that out. And that really is it. I'm plating it. I have my sweet potato, and I usually just put a little bit of butter and cinnamon on top, and that's it. And then I season the broccoli with the Tabitha Brown lemon, garlic, pepper seasoning, and that was pretty much it. And then I'm adding my cod, and it really is that simple. Like, I made this in 20 minutes. And the key is to have like at least one side already prepped throughout the week. And for me, that was sweet potatoes, because it takes about an hour to roast or so. So just do that. Just put a whole bunch in a pan and it'll last you for a couple of days. The time that it took to make this cod, I was able to make the broccoli, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.